Hello students, I am your biology educator Dr. Meetu Bhavnani and welcome all of you in this fantabulous Vedantu NEET English channel. So today I am going to give you a strategy video regarding biology. As you all know that NEET exam is very soon and it will occur in month of May. So you all students are doing your hard work very well. But if this hard works along with hard work, if I'll give you a smart strategy to deal with subjects. Okay. Now, every student, right now is doing very good theory, studying very good theory and questions. But if you don't know about the strategy, about the way you are going to deal with time, about the way you are going to deal with the subjects, it may cause difficulty to you in examination time also. Because in examination time only 3 hours are there. So within these 3 hours, you have to do physics, chemistry. You're not going to underestimate the physics, chemistry subject as well as biology. Okay, biology questions are more, but it doesn't mean that you are not going to mm, um, underestimate the physics and chemistry. If you are able to carry out almost all the questions of physics and chemistry, then you are able to score 650 plus. Then you are able to get a good medical MBBS seat in government medical colleges, PDS seat in government dental colleges. Okay, so strategy is very much required along with time management, along with your sleep. If you are not sleeping, your sleep should be 6 to 8 hours properly. Otherwise, lack of sleep may cause other problems and diseases to the body. So sleep is essential. Some, and slightly entertainment time it also available. Otherwise, only studies will create a monotonous environment to you. Maximally, you have to do studies. Only a slight entertainment, or we can say half an hour or 45 minutes, are also essential. Okay, talk to your parents mostly. This time, don't talk to your friends so much. Don't scroll the social media. Don't ask your friend what you have done, how many questions you have, because you don't know whether your friend is telling lie or truth to you. Okay, so it will disturb your mental health also. So in this time, you have to take care about your physical and mental health. Along with this, now we are going to deal with 50-day strategy for zoology. Now you very well know that zoology constitutes 50% of biology section. Okay, now zoology deals with complete, animal body, human body. You very well know. Botany deals with plant, regarding all the features related to the plants. But here we are dealing with zoology. It is not zoology, it is zoology. Zoo means something movable, and animals are movable. They are able to do locomotion and movement. So heavy focus on which type of units? If you focus on these type of units mostly, because maximum questions always comes every time in NEET. And this time also in 2026, we are guessing that most of the questions come from the which I am telling you in this video. That is human physiology, biotechnology, genetics. I am telling you about overall zoology covering class 11th and 12th NEET. Okay. Now, human physiology, biotechnology and genetics. Very, very important. Very, very, if you are forgetting it, if you are not sound in these subjects, focus on these topics right now in your studies. Key weightage chapter, what is this? Human reproduction. Easy topic. Animal kingdom, lengthy but still very interesting. Biomolecules, again a easy topic. Now if we consider all the chapters of class 11th and 12th NEET, so you are going to focus mainly on your NCERT. Read each and every line of NCERT. Consider some of your reference book also if you want, but this time NCERT is more than sufficient because maximum questions are coming from NCERT. If you have a reference book, or if you are following, if you are any mentor or guider or teacher told you to follow that reference book also, it's okay. If you are comfortable with it, it is okay. But if you are, already loaded, then don't go for a reference book. It will create more overloading to you. So this time you have to keep yourself relaxed also. Okay, whatever you know, keep revising it. And the chapters which are very weak, I've already told you in 650 plus strategy video. Take a diary, write all the level of, if you are at low level of your subject, give more hours on those subjects. You have time. You have time. You are able to crack NEET by creating a good strategy in this month also, in month of March and April. Okay, half of the March has gone, but still you have time. So have faith in God, have faith in you, have confidence. It's okay if you are at very low level at that time. Don't worry, you can go from 300 to 650 plus if you have passion to do it, if you have mentally strong for that. Okay, now weightage and percentage. Structural organization animal, these are also the units. 6%. Okay, animal kingdom 8%, biomolecule 10%, human physiology 21%, reproduction 8%. Okay, evolution 8%, biology and human welfare 19%, biotechnology 16%, biotechnology 16%. Okay, now this means now you are okay with all the percentage, you are okay with all the chapters. So the last strategy you are going to follow is follow NCERT. Do 10 times revision of NCERT, and if you are able to do more, do it 20 times, do 30 times, increase your frequency. Regular previous year question chapter wise, they will tell you the how the questions are created and which designing manner the questions are created. Last but not the least, give mock test series regularly. It will help you in analyzing your score. Suppose later on your score was 1200 and now it is come 520. Boss, you are going to crack the NEET. Regular, but this time you are not going to break your regularity. The most important thing is discipline. If you have discipline, you can crack any of the challenges in your life. It is just like that. Okay, students, thank you so much.